In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to Him belongs the most beautiful names. Welcome to the Bank of English with Fida Muhammad Siddiqui. Today the topic is reflexive pronouns. The topic is
reflexive pronouns.
Part 4.
Part 4.
Reflexive pronouns
Reflexive pronouns
are words
are words
that
that
refer
refer
back to
back to
the subject
the subject
of a sentence
of a sentence
or clause.
or clause.
They are used
They are used
to
to
indicate
indicate
that
that
the subject
the subject
is
is
also
also
the recipient
the recipient
of the
of the
action
action
described
described
by
by
the verb.
the word.
Examples:
Examples:
myself,
myself,
I cut myself
I cut myself
while shaving.
while shaving.
Yourself,
Yourself,
you can do it
you can do it
yourself.
yourself.
Himself,
Himself,
he hurt
he hurt
himself
himself
while
while
playing
playing
football.
football.
Herself,
Herself,
she made
she made
herself
herself
a cup
a cup
of coffee.
of coffee.
Itself,
Itself,
the cat
the cat
wash
washed
itself.
itself.
Ourselves,
Ourselves,
we can do it
we can do it
ourselves.
ourselves.
Yourselves,
Yourselves,
you can
you can
help
help
yourselves
yourselves
to the food.
to the food.
Themselves,
Themselves,
they made
they made
themselves
themselves
at home.
at home.
Note
Note
that
that
reflexive pronouns
reflexive pronouns
are often, sometime
sometimes
we pronounce
we pronounce
it
it
is
as
often,
often.
but the correct pronunciation
The correct pronunciation
is
is
often.
often.
T is
T is
silent.
silent.
Used
Used
in situations
in situations
where
where
the subject is
the subject is
performing
performing
an action
an action
on itself,
on itself,
or where
or
the subject is
the subject is
the recipient
the recipient
of an action.
of an action.
Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are words that refer back to the subject of a sentence or clause. They are used to indicate that the subject is also the recipient of the action described by the verb. Examples: myself, I cut myself while shaving. Yourself, you can do it yourself. Himself, he hurt himself while playing football. Herself, she made herself a cup of coffee. Itself, the cat washed itself. Ourselves, we can do it ourselves. Yourselves, you can help yourselves to the food. You can help yourselves to the food. Themselves, they made themselves at home. Note that reflexive pronouns are often used in situations where the subject is performing an action on itself, or where the subject is the recipient of an action. So thanks for watching.